it's noisy out here, so I'm gonna have to shout. Just bear with me. Now that you look at the new one, the Chinese model, I think it's now the old model, the legend. About the interior smaller in size, round up. Don't mind the sacks. The sacks contain sand, river sand, that is used to increase friction when it's raining. There is a mechanism that goes on the rail and then it keeps on sliding along instead of slippery. So this is the sand. We have to be prepared any time in case we run out of sand. Now, to give you a preview of this one, like I gave you the Chinese model, it has everything. This radio came later. They didn't come with the locomotive. They were installed later. The computers now, the monitors, that monitors the parameters of the locomotive, everything, the engine functioning and everything, braking and everything. Now, we have the radio like we have on the other side. This is a Motorola. That one was an input model. Now here we have the throttle, like we have in the Chinese one. This is the throttle. It's on neutral as you can see. It goes all the way up to 8. This is the braking throttle. We have the air brakes for the wagons now, not for the locomotive, the engine itself, but for the wagons. There is a mechanism that is called a new coupling, whereby the pressure is released back to the farthest wagon. Now this is the pressure release for it. And as you can see, when I'm turning this one, that one is also turning. Now, this is basically the interior of the old model. And you be the judge. I like the Chinese model better. But they say this machine, actually, I have to be fair to this one, the legend, is quite stronger than the Chinese one. This one can pull so many wagons, twice as much, at times twice as much as the Chinese models. And you can see the dials here. You have the exciter, fuel pump, battery auxiliary, lights, heater, extension, charge, main control, main fuel pump, local propulsion. Those are the dials that you have there. And it's good to note, this machine generates 6,000, it's not clear to see, it's 600 volts of electricity when it's running. So you can have your coil there and cook, and the machine when it's running. That's how much power it generates. What am I leaving out? I think we have the two of the old model. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. It's a new channel giving you random things like this one. Where do you get these things? Welcome.
Thank you.